Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now we are here with another episode of Chainsaw Man, and the fourth one is called Rescue. No idea why, but I'm pretty curious to see what this is. So yeah, if you guys don't know why my voice sounds deep, because I'm recording this video at 6 a.m. I am tired right now. Well, I just woke up. I thought I'd do this video quick because my parents I don't know what they do, but I don't know. I just usually use their phone for videos or use my phone a lot, but yeah. But anyways, guys, we're gonna be checking out another episode, and yeah. If you guys are new to the channel here, make sure you are subscribed. Anyways, let's go ahead and check out this episode. What the? Is he drinking? She drinking blood? Is that the girl from the last episode? Oh yeah, it's the same girl. Oh gosh, you're killing animals now. Oh damn. Oh god. That looks disgusting to me, but it's oh my gosh. It's so creepy. That is so creepy and gross. You're a freaking vampire or demon or devil. I don't know. You're either one of them. I know everyone loses their pet, but oh gosh, you're stuck in there. Oh, you owe him one. You owe him one. Yeah. This is more gory than Demon Slayer and Jujutsu Kaisen. Oh god. What the what the heck is that? What the episode just started with him with what the frick? I okay. What the Oh, he swallowed your arm. Oh, you need blood? You need blood to work it? Okay. Are you sure fighting it without chainsaws is a good idea? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What the heck? This is crazy. Oh. Can you do something? Damn. I don't think punching it would work. Yeah. Oh gosh. You're not One Punch Man, man. What the? Can you even try to like regen your arm? I I don't know. Most demons or devils can do that. In well, demons and Demon Slayer. Can you do the same? I mean, he's a devil hunter. There's no way you can defeat it without power. Oh wow. Did he use his head? He's obsessed with it though. This is I don't even care if this is 18 plus, but I'm enjoying it. Damn, he's fast. He is fast. He is fast. Oh no. Are you gonna do something? Oh, he's going crazy. Ah! Oh, what? Oh. Oh. Wait. Oh, he saved him. Damn. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. That was a crazy fight. That was a crazy fight there. Um, I guess you lost your arm. This is more crazy than Demon Slayer and Jujutsu Kaisen. Oh, he rejoined his arm. He has his arm back now. He saved your life. He saved your life. He's trying to grab an apple slice. Yes or no? If that's a promise. What's your next plan? Oh, Makima. How would you guys feel if some of y'all were born with different types of eyes, like, you know, a star eye or something like that? I don't know. If one of you were born like that, you got cool eyes. Most important thing in the morning. Okay, why are you banging the door like that? What the Did you really have to break the door down? What the heck? Oh no, he didn't. He broke the doorknob to get in. Did I say him or it's? I mean her or she. I mean, the frick. Okay, she's on the road. What the frick? Okay, these two are fighting again. He saved your life, and now you're doing this again. What the? Okay, man. How much toilet paper did she use? Squeeze your titties. I knew it. I knew it. Oh. What the okay. Okay. Oh, his heart is beeping so hard. He also saved your life as well. I mean, that counts as protecting, I guess. Do it. Do it as you wish. Wait, what the? Oh, that's it? What? Oh. Is there anything at the end? Nope, that's it. That's the episode there. So yeah, like I said, this series is crazy. I already watched 4 episodes and yeah, gory as hell. Wow, man. That was amazing there. So if you guys enjoyed this episode or reaction to Chainsaw Man, make sure to drop a like on this video. That was a crazy one. That was a crazy one, I must say. And also the girl, blonde hair, I forgot her name. I don't know if that's her owing him because I don't know. Like it. He did save your life though of from dying, and you're just you're just doing them a favor like that. Wow, wow. So yeah, if you guys enjoy, make sure to drop a like on this video here, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.